Chapter 1 is Indices, Standard Form, Rounding and Estimation. And we'll start off with Index Form. Pause the video and write down anything you know about Index Form. So what is Index Form? Well, a shorter way of writing 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 3 to the power of 4. The number that's been repeatedly multiplied by itself is called the base. It's on the bottom. And the index is the number on the top, or sometimes called the power. That's the number of times that 3 is multiplied together by 3. Let's look at some examples then. So example 1, evaluate 2 to the power of 5. So you pause the video and try example 1 for yourself. So evaluate 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 means 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. Should ensure that 2 is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And if you multiply 2 to the power of 5, you get 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 as your answer. Pause the video and try example 2. Example 2, find 3.6 times 10 squared. To do this, we'll get 3.6 and multiply it by 10 squared, which you can work out. 10 squared means 10 times 10, which is 100. And 3.6 times 100, to times by 100, we shift the number 2 spaces to the left, or you may think of it as moving the decimal point 2 spaces to the right. Either way, you should end up with 360. Just a little thing to remember as well, that if you have 3 to the power of 1, that's the same as 3. Equally, 7 to the power of 1 can be written as 7. We just don't bother with writing 1 as the index when it is 1.